my name is Moni. In today's video I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be showing you how I maintain my braids. If you are seeing me for the first time, please click on the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to leave a thumbs up before you continue watching this video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. So I'm going to be showing you how I maintain my braid. This braid is about 3 weeks plus old, and I'm going to loosen it next week because it will clock 1 month, exactly 1 month since I made the braids. But I want to show you how I maintain it, how I maintain these braids. So I know it's not a skincare video, but this process of applying your hair product to your hair will go a long way to help your skin and prevent your face from breakout always. The main ingredient I use for maintaining my hair this way is this hair serum. This hair serum is very good. Since I've known this hair serum, anytime I want to make braids, I go a long way to look for it and buy 2 or 3 before I make my braids. It makes my hair less itchy, and it is very good for my scalp. It makes my scalp neat, and it prevents my scalp from sweating, thereby making me not to scratch my hair always. So the things that make your hair to go rough on time is when you scratch it at all times. But I know that it can be very uncomfortable if your hair is wet and itchy. We tend to itch it all the time, but when you apply this hair serum to your hair is going to be less itchy and it's going to last long. So make sure you buy this hair serum anytime you are making your braids. So this process I'm going to show you, I do it twice in a day. One in the morning before I take a shower or before I do my skincare, my face skincare routine, and I also apply it at night before I go to bed and before I do my night skincare routine. So this is morning now and I've not taken a shower, neither have I done my skincare routine. So this is the first thing I do first before I take a shower and do my skincare routine. So you just apply it to the root of your scalp this way. This hair serum is very soothing and it has this minty effect that helps your scalp to breathe properly. It helps your scalp to be less itchy. So when you apply this hair product to your face, the reason why we are doing it before we do our skincare routine is because we don't want our hair product to get to our pores and our face. If you are in the habit of allowing your hair product to get onto your face, then you should stop that. Those are one of the things that causes your face to break out all the time. So after applying this to my scalp, then I go ahead and put my hair mousse on the braids. If I didn't tell you that my hair is about a month old, you wouldn't believe it because it's looking neat and all that. Before I found out this hair care method, my braid is always falling off 2 weeks, maximum of 2 weeks after making it. But ever since I found out this method, my braids last longer, and I only take it out when it's a month because I don't like my braids staying on my head for too long. So let me apply. So after applying my hair mousse to my braids, then I go ahead and pack it up. I go ahead and pack everything up. Then I do my skincare routine. So after that, I go ahead and do my skincare routine and take my shower. I'll be right back. So I'm back. I've just finished taking the shower and I've also done my skincare routine. So it's now time for us to continue with the hair care video. But before I continue the video, today is my birthday. So wish me a happy birthday in the comment section down below. So after that, the next thing I want to use on my hair is hair wax. This hair wax will help my edges to be laid. It will help put the small hairs in front of my head. It will help put it in place. So you just take a little bit and make sure you don't touch anywhere near your face. When you do this, there's no way your hair product will get to your face. Then at night, before my night skincare routine, I just apply the hair serum to my scalp. That's the only thing I apply in the night. It will help my hair to breathe well. It will prevent it from being itchy when I sleep. So I apply the hair care in the morning and at night. The only difference is that at night I only use the hair serum, but in the morning I use the hair serum, the hair mousse and my hair wax. So I'm done with the hair care video. This is what my hair looks like. It's looking neat, isn't it? For a 1-month-old hair, it's looking very, very neat. So if you will be buying the hair serum and doing this hair care routine, let me know in the comment section. I'm not doing anything much today. I will just make few TikTok videos and I will also make my birthday dress, a DIY birthday dress without sewing, and I'll take a few shots. So I'm going to leave a picture of me after this clip. So thank you very much for watching. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video and turn on your notification bell. Thank you very much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.